So how do you like it?
It has trailer lean.
Trailer lean?
Watch this. Look when I turn.
No way! That is so rad!
Whoa. Yes, you aren't dreaming. You just saw a motorized RC camper. The main reason I did that camper is that a few years back, I noticed a video on YouTube. And the video on YouTube was a camper, somebody that made a camper with a Renault 5 turbo engine. So here it is there. Now that video was really cool, and it really piqued my curiosity and said, wow, this is so cool. I have to create a RC version of that. So I decided to start gathering all the parts, and once I got all the parts, then I started to build. So it took me a little bit. I didn't want to spend a lot of money on this, and I wanted to just have fun with the build. So I builded it, and with a little bit of help from my son, he was trying to find it cool. But then one day I decided to paint it used because I wanted to look old. My son was not pleased. But anyways, enjoy a couple more of these little videos of the camper trailer, and hope you enjoy and get the inspiration going. And you can build anything. Just build it, and have fun with it. Hey, I'm working on my trailer again. Tomorrow I'll be painting the windows and giving it two-tone, so it should look like a lot better on camera. But tonight I just changed the shocks from a 60 millimeter to a 90 millimeter axial shock, the one that used to come on the kits. And let me tell you, I think I like it better because it really jacked up the rear end a little bit, so it actually looks better. And so it's going to be better for wheelies, so it's going to come way up higher. And hopefully it's going to stay up, because earlier it was so low that as soon as it hit the back, it actually slapped it back down. But wheelies should be better. But what I like about these shocks also, because they're much longer, they did sag down a little bit because this is kind of heavy. But what's cool with it is that it's very soft, so when I'm going to be driving it and it's going to be rough, this thing is going to act like a real camper trailer with shocks at the back, so it's should be funny and funnier to see. So I can't wait to try this out again with the longer shocks. See you next time. Well, I've gone and did an upgrade. Yes, I unplugged the motor just to show you guys this upgrade. The camper got audio. And man, does this thing ever go loud. So how do you like it?
It has trailer lean.
Trailer lean?
Watch this. Look when I turn. It's like got trailer lean.